It's 6:32 a.m. Well, now 6:33, and it's raining again. It stopped and then it started again. So what are y'all gonna do? Say Candy is lying about it raining? Or Candy's delusional about it raining? You see the ground is wet. Well, this is some relaxing rain. If it weren't for the fake, crusty, dirty garbage trucks, this rain would be so peaceful. Wow, part of the sky is clear, but it's still raining. Like the sun is trying to come out. So I have to pee, and it's daytime, so I would be more visible. So now I really don't have any place to pee, and I have to wait about an hour to get to pee. And it's raining, and I don't want to get wet. But they got some people who do the most diabolical and evil things as a way to get revenge. I mean, the doggone abusive perps and fake TI perps, they doggone living their best life. And they pushing the false narrative that I'm the one who's gang stalking and perping my twin sister, when it's actually the other way around. But my twin sister, she seemed like she backed off and left me alone for a while, you know. But they always flock to her, you know. They always flock to her. Like, they want to sick my own twin sister on me like a dog. How the hell you have a bike that's louder than a vehicle? Well, I was saying that the online perps or fake TI perps, they want to sick my twin sister on me like a dog. And then, you know, after I expose their abuse, they want to do a fake smear campaign and talk about beware of fake TIs or beware of fake targeted individuals or something. And they all go by the same script and the same narrative, and none of y'all are original. All y'all just nothing but some fake, retarded copycats. You know, you're the fake talking about beware of fake TIs when you sold out and acting like a perp. So, I just got a lot to vent, and I'm not stuffing anything in. If y'all don't want to hear my cries or complaints, then you shouldn't have abused me in the first place. Nobody told you to come and approach me and try to love bomb me and do all this fake stuff. Wow, the clouds look interesting. And she loves to splash me with that tiny ass little car. Well, she didn't splash me just now, but you know, she's not even slow or careful when she comes through here. But she splashed me before a few times.